911, state your emergency.
Hi, I need you to please come to my apartment. I'm in. My ex is he's threatening to kill himself.
Okay, what's the name of the street?
North Dante Avenue.
Dante?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any weapons right now?
No.
5-32. 5-32. Stop! Stop the vehicle!
Hey Max, again.
Fucking Chad, because of you.
Hey Max.
No, go fuck yourself, my guy, right? I already told you, you ain't got nothing to fucking say to me. Nothing's gonna change my mind. My mind is made. Do you understand that? Quit wasting your fucking time. Go to sleep. Go hug your wife, your girlfriend, whatever the fuck you got. And cherish that shit, okay?
Max, I'm just trying to help you, buddy.
No. Go fuck yourself. Go through her phone, because she's probably fucking cheating on you too, my guy. Bitches these days ain't fucking loyal. You understand that?
Max, I'm sorry you feel that way, sir. But
Go fuck yourself. Hang up the phone. Let me say what I gotta say before I fucking kill myself, okay?
Max, it doesn't have to end this way, Max.
Get off the fucking phone. You're done.
Max, it doesn't have to end this way. We just want to help you.
You can't do fucking nothing here, my guy.
Max, we just want to help you, sir.
You ain't helping shit. You ain't changing shit. The heart wants what the heart wants, alright? And there's nothing you can fucking do about that. Nothing in your stupid fucking book, nothing in your stupid fucking education, nothing you got in your fucking pocket, nothing you got in your fucking brain. There is nothing you can do. When a man reaches rock bottom, that's it. Do you understand that?
Yes, Max, and I understand how you're feeling tonight.
Don't fucking talk to my guy. Shut the fuck up and hang up. Okay? Shut the fuck up and hang up the goddamn phone. Bring the fucking army. Because it's either me, him, or one of you fucking police officers. I'm not gonna tell you again.
I think a door just opened. Who are you?
You ready for this?
Hey bro, don't do it. Dude, don't do it bro. I'm telling you right now. Max.
Were you the one that was talking about me, bro?
Max.
What are you talking about?
Max, stop.
This is what you fucking wanted. This is what you fucking wanted.
Hey dude, I need you to realize we can talk it out.
No, we fucking can't.
Why can't we talk it out? Do it for your daughter. Do it for your daughter.
They're fucking
Stop,
boys, you jackass. At least do your fucking research.
Okay.
My daughter, I don't have a fucking daughter.
Okay, then
I wish I had a
try.
fucking daughter. But this fucking bitch
Hey,
cheated
I
on me
need
with
you
some
to-
fucking nigga from school.
Alright, fuck
Her
that guy.
goddamn
But I
work.
need you to realize
Yeah,
something.
fuck that guy. This is what I want to do
Dude,
to
just
him.
drop it.
But I'm going
Dude,
to do
just
it to
drop
you
it.
or him. You guys decide.
Drop it, dude. I'm telling you right now. Drop
No.
it. Don't
Shoot
do
me.
this. I don't want to shoot
No,
you.
it's done.
I don't
I
want to
seen
shoot
it.
you. I
It's
do
done.
not.
This is what you fucking wanted.
Stop it.
This is what you fucking wanted.
5-32, we need units here. Code 3.
Pop it, dude.
Please.
You ready for this?
I don't want to shoot you. Stop.
You don't want to shoot me, then why the fuck you doing this?
Because you have scissors, bro.
Then why the fuck you doing this?
We came here just to check up on
Shoot
you.
me. Shoot
You
me.
need to get back,
This is
bro.
done. This is done. Man, sit down. This is done.
Sit down.
No. You fucking decided that. I gave you fucking everything. I gave you everything. And this is how you fucking repaid me.
Come on, Max, we can talk this out, bro.
No, we
Five,
fucking
five,
can't.
two,
My guy.
we need to
No,
get
we
back,
fucking
code 3.
can't. No, we can't.
Come on.
We
Hey,
can't
man.
talk shit out.
Why
Was I talking
can't
to
we?
you or you on the phone? Who was I talking to?
Stop.
Max, don't do this, brother.
You
Don't
can't.
do it.
Don't do this, bro. I don't want to have to do this.
You're gonna fucking do it, my guy. This is gonna be a learning curve for you.
Please.
Have you shot anybody before?
Max,
Have you shot anybody before?
Listen.
Have you shot anybody before?
Listen. All right.
Have you shot anybody
Is there
before?
anything I'm doing wrong to
No,
get you
you're not
mad?
doing anything wrong.
So
Have
why?
you shot anybody before?
Max, don't make me do this, brother.
Dude.
Have you shot anybody before?
Max, don't
Today's gonna be the day.
Hey, you need to stop.
Today's gonna be the day.
Max, don't make me
Dark.
do this.
Today's
Stop.
gonna be the day.
Max, stop,
Today's gonna
dude.
be the day. Today's gonna be the day, guys.
No, it's not. It doesn't have to be
It's
today.
gonna be this way.
It doesn't have to.
No,
It doesn't have
fuck
to.
No. You do not know
It
the
doesn't
fucking
have to.
struggles that I went for. The fucking struggles that. I fucking threw everything I cared about away for you. That's how you fucking repay me? You fucking kept lying to my goddamn face. Fucking kept lying to me.
Stop, please, Max.
This is how it ends. This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted.
Max.
This is what you wanted.
Let's.
Hey, by the way, my cousin, he works for, Oh, really? Yeah. So, sorry you guys have to do this, but it's gonna happen this way.
Listen, if you don't want to talk to us, how about you talk to one of my other partners? How about that?
No, I don't want to talk
Alright,
to any of
okay.
you fucking guys. Look it. My fate is sealed, my guy. My fate is sealed. I am rock bottom. There's absolutely nothing you're gonna do here. It's either you give me that motherfucker here right now, and I take his life, or you take my life. It's either his life, my life, or one of your guys.
He's not here, Max.
Exactly. So it's gonna be my life, or one of you guys. That's it. That's all it's gonna come down to. That's all it's gonna come down to.
Can we talk?
No, fuck no, we can't talk. Because I am done with this, dude. I have tried so goddamn hard, and especially for fucking you.
I understand, but what?
Especially for fucking you. I tried so goddamn hard. Where you going?
Wait. Alright, I get that.
No,
Alright.
you can go out that way. I'll let you go out that way.
You want to let me go out?
Yeah, I'll let you go out.
She has to come out with me, though.
No, I'm not gonna hurt her. That's my boy's mom. I'm not gonna hurt her.
Okay.
I'm not gonna hurt her.
Let her
You
go
don't
then.
worry about her.
Okay.
It's just, you wanna go out there with them? I want you guys to shoot me in the fucking same
No, I don't
Go
want
out
to
there.
shoot you. That's the thing.
Go out there. No,
That's
you're
the
gonna
thing.
shoot me. You're gonna shoot me.
Get
You're gonna
out.
fucking shoot me.
Get out. Get out.
You know.
Please don't
Wait.
hurt him.
Stop, dude.
Stop.
You know.
Please don't hurt him.
Hey,
Taser application, shots fired. Officers are code for. We have a suspect is down.